Before starting the session, first let me fix our agenda. Today, we are going to be understand what is AWS. Today, we are going to be understand what is an exactly DevOps. We are going to be understand, guys, please. Before starting this demonstration, let me overview of this course. What exactly this course? Let us describe first. This course is complete AWS plus Linux basics and shell script. The combination of these three, this is the course. The total duration of this course is 2.5 months. It will take to complete this course 2.5 months. So for learning this course, Linux basics required, that I will be covered. Shell script basics required, that I will be covered. No programming is required like Java, .NET, Python. No programming is required, and moreover, we are not writing any programming in this course. Programs are not required. We are not writing any programs. You have a laptop with this configuration for practice for each and every day. Who can join in this course, guys, please? Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course, please. And if you join in this course, which are all the benefits, guys, please? Daily class recordings after the payment via Google Drive you will be received from date of registration. You are going to be accessing up to 11 months. Resume preparation, interview question answers, 80% of soft material. So I'm going to be providing with you. So we're going to be discussing from basic level to advanced level, and each and every session is a practical oriented session. Each and every session is a practical oriented session, guys, please. And daily we're going to be spending 1 hour. That means you need to practice 2 hours per day. Totally 1 plus 2, 3 hours you have to promise yourself every day. So classes are Monday to Saturday. Sometimes Saturday is holiday, but prior to one day, let you know. Maximum Monday to Saturday we have a session, sir. Sometimes, rarely, we don't have any classes on Saturdays, but prior to one day, I'll be informing with you. The course fees is 6,000 rupees. Course fees is what? 6,000 rupees. You are going to be paying for complete AWS course. The 6,000 rupees you're going to be paying for complete AWS. For daily recording sessions, daily recordings you're going to be receiving. For that also you're going to be paying 6,000 for this batch. For this, because of this batch, so only 5,000. Okay, for next cycle onwards, next batch onwards, it will be 6,000. That means you're going to be paying 5,000. So if you want to talk to admin, please call to 9297 9297 and 77. If any admin kind of question related to payments or else a payment gateway, whatever may be, so you need to call to them. So either you can call or else you can able to WhatsApp also, that is an issue. Okay. If this number is busy, please call to this number. And this is an exactly course content. Course content link. If you copy paste this link in the chat box, means in the browser, you can able to revise my course content. What exactly we are going to be covering in this 2.5 months, we can able to, the first document you know very well, course overview. The second document is what exactly? AWS content. It is totally around maybe 10 pages of AWS content. 10 pages of AWS. 10 pages of AWS content. 10 pages of AWS content. So each and every student, so please be get it from chat box, or else you can take a photo. Please be take a snap by using your mobile, either offline or online. This will be further communication, please. Please take a one snap, one photo by using your mobile. So, yeah, shall we start a demonstration, please? So before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Maha. I have totally 15 years of IT experience. My career starts as a Java dev. Then I turn as DevOps engineer, senior DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer as well as AWS and with Azure also. This is in exactly my profile. So today we're going to be discussing about what? What is AWS? Before starting, so I'm going to be asking you one question. Please answer to me. What is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? Application is equal to website. Application is equal to websites, like a Flipkart website, like Book My Show, Redbus, IRCTC. These are all we are calling as what? Application. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming like Java, .NET, Python. We are called as what? Application. That application we are gonna be placed. We're gonna be placed on servers. So the working software as an application, we are gonna be placed on hundreds of servers. We're gonna be placed on hundreds of servers. Once if it is placed our application on hundreds of servers, we are going to be accessing our internet as a website. I hope you people are understand what is an application. Anybody help me? Application is equal to website. That a website we're going to be host on server side. Then we are going to be accessing over a internet. So, the next question I'm going to be ask you, what is in exactly infrastructure? So, for maintaining our application, for deploying our application, we require a infrastructure. What is infrastructure? For example, to conduct this session, means this DevOps classes or what may be AWS classes, we require infrastructure or not? Chairs, tables, laptop, TV, internet connection, AC, my water bottle. These are all infrastructure or not? Without this infrastructure, can able to conduct these sessions or not? No. The same way, for maintaining our applications, for deploying our websites, what kind of infrastructure is required? That is my question. So majorly, we require servers. We require servers. We require networks. We require data bases. We require storages. So these are all major infrastructure is required to maintain our websites on hundreds of servers. Clear? What is an application? We understood. What is infrastructure? We understood. But how many ways we can able to get this infrastructure? How many ways? How many ways to get infrastructure? We can able to get three ways totally. First one is what? By physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. Either physically or virtually or cloud environment. Server is same, but way of getting is different. We can able to get servers either by physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. I hope you understood very clearly. So I'll repeat one more time. So for maintaining our applications, we require this infrastructure. This infrastructure either by physically or by virtually or by cloud environment we can able to get it. But tell me, what is cloud computing? What is cloud? The cloud is nothing but a internet. But what is the computing, please? What is an exactly compute? It's a new one. So you have a computing power in a laptop or no? Yes, which kind of computing power? RAM, CPU, hard disk, we are calling as a computing power or not? That's what we're calling as a computer. So what is the computing power? Please tell me. What is the computing power? So which you having a hardware resources in your laptop. The same kind of computing power in servers also, like RAM, CPU, motherboard. The hardware which you are seeing, which we have, that we are calling as what? Computing power. But what is the cloud computing? My question is very specifically I'm asking to you. What is an exactly cloud computing? Listen very carefully. The remote placed resources. The remote placed resources like remote placed computing power. If you can able to access over a internet, over a internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. Tell me. So what is a cloud computing? Please anybody help me? Remote placed resources. If we can able to access over internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. Cloud computing, we understood very clear. First, let us understand what is a data center. So what is a data center? Simple way. Simple way. The huge computing power, keeping in a rack wise in a big room, we calling as a data center. Just like your building, like just like your institute, just like your home, just like your apartment. These data centers are existing physically. We can able to see with your eyes. How exactly can able to touch your mobile? How exactly you can able to see your laptop? Same way of physical or data centers, we can able to see with our eyes. These data centers are physically existing. So from these data centers, if we can able to access a computing power or resources or infrastructure, our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. I'll repeat. These data centers are located in different geographical locations, like in US, like in Singapore, like in Mumbai, like in Hyderabad also. These data centers are physically exist throughout the globe. So from these data centers, if we can able to access infrastructure, our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud compute. Let me repeat one more time. So remote placed resources. Remote means in somewhere else, like in US, Singapore, or Mumbai. From remote placed resources, resource is nothing but what? Either server or network or databases or storages. If we can able to access remote place resources over internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. I hope you people are understand very clearly what is a cloud computing. Tell me, which is easy for you? Which is then exactly easy for you? Select the news and build the news. Always we are going to be preferring only select the news on. Select then use means. So any cloud is going to be providing only rental based infrastructure. We're not buying anything by using cloud. We are not buying, but we are going to be taking rental infrastructure. Instead of buying infrastructure, we're going to be taking what? Rental infrastructure. So I will give you a good example. You can understand much deeper. Just listen very carefully. So I want to go to railway station. I want to go to railway station by car. I buy car. I can able to get a car two ways. So first way, buy a car, buying a car, and you need to railway station. The second option is what? Rental car like Ola Uber. Which is better for us? Rental always. So simply, just for reaching a railway station, are you really buying a car by spending 10 lakhs rupees? It is stupid idea, am I right or wrong? Instead of buying a car, just book a Ola cab. Within 10 minutes, the car is available at your doorstep. Happily can able to reach railway station. What is the tariff? Can pay up to maybe 3 to 300 to 400, 500. That's it. After that, do not worry about the car. But still, if you have a buy a car, what will happen? We have to spend upfront amount 10 lakhs. Then that's it. No license is required. RC copy is required. Pollution check is required. Insurance copy is required. So you have a driving license. Moreover, you have to drive. If you don't have driving, you have to hire one driver also. These are all the headaches if you want to maintain a car. Instead of that, just go for Ola car. Just go for rental car. Am I right or wrong? The same example applicable for applications also. Just for deploying our applications, really are you going to be buying a server or else rental service, which is easy for you? Rental. Rental service. So we're going to be getting rental service and easily we are going to be deploying means placing our applications and we can able to fulfill our purpose easily. But instead of that, if you buy a service, what will happen? We have to keep servers in a data center, means like this big room. Who will pay the rent for every month? Current bill, who will pay? Employee salaries. There's a lot of headache. Instead of buying, we are always looking for what? Rental service for what? Maintaining, deploying our websites. This is an exactly cloud. Why we are moving into the cloud? For just rental infrastructure. Rental infrastructure. So any cloud, either Google, either Azure or AWS, any cloud, any cloud, any cloud. So providing rental infrastructure only. Any cloud provider, they are providing only rental infrastructure. But we are going to be learning out of those AWS, Amazon Web Services. Any cloud same, but so providers are different. Providers are different. But which provider we going to be learning, guys? Please, which cloud provider? AWS, Amazon Web Services. AWS is a first to cloud provider. AWS is a first to cloud provider. AWS is a first to cloud provider in 2002 might be. So that is the reason it is a popular. It is a first provider. So because of it is occupied more than 60-50% of market. And tell me. In AWS, we are going to be discussing totally 4 modules. Each module will take 2 weeks. Each module we're going to be spending 2 weeks of time. So, what is the first module? VPC. Second module is what? EC2. Third module is what? RDS. Fourth module is what? S3. VPC is nothing but what? Network. EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. But let it be write down. So EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. So network is nothing but what? VPC. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. So for deploying our applications, what kind of infrastructure we require, we can able to get it from cloud. We can able to get it from cloud as a rental base. First, let us understand what is the VPC, what is EC2, what is RDS, what is S3. Let us deep diving into this, please. Let us deep diving into this, please. So, what is the VPC? VPC is nothing but what? Network. VPC is nothing but what? Network. So a isolated private network, a office kind of private network, we are going to be getting over internet in a virtual form is nothing but what? VPC. I think each and every body knows how exactly network. So if you visit any office, so the computers are connecting with internet cable. Am I right or not? That is an exactly physical network. Or else in your home we have a broadband connection or not? We have a modem. That modem we have internet cable connecting with your laptop or not? Even my laptop also connected with the network. Without network, there is no class for today, sir. So, but these networks are private networks. Your office network is what? Private network, which you can't be accessed from outside world. So that's the point I want to tell you. A isolated, a office kind of private network, if we can able to access over a internet in a virtual form is nothing but what? VPC. By using VPC, we can able to create n number of networks. So for example, first network is for you, second network is for me, third networks are for my friend. N number of networks we can able to create. There is no limit. N number of networks. I'll repeat this point, listen very carefully. Anybody can getting into the AWS, you and me, anybody. But after getting into AWS, we can able to create our private section. This is an exactly your private section. No one can enter into this. You can do whatever you want. Without your permission, no one can enter. We can create a servers here, we can create a databases also. For example, so we have two companies. One company name is what? TCS. And second company is what? HCL. So TCS and HCL, both companies are using AWS. But once if it is getting, TCS people can able to create their own network. HCL people also can create their own network. But HCL can't be getting into TCS. TCS can't be getting into the HCL. So that's kind of like level of security is available inside AWS. So what is a network? Anybody help me? A virtual private network is your private section of AWS, where you can able to place resources like servers and databases. Who can access? Who can't be accessed? We can able to write rules and regulations. Is nothing but what? VPC. Simply we can say only one word. VPC is equal to network. It is more than enough to understand. VP is equal to network, private network, whatever. But what about EC2? By helping of EC2, we can able to create a server. So how exactly your laptop has, which are all the components, has your laptop, same kind of resources, same kind of component server also, like CPU, operating system, hard disk, RAM, firewall, NIC. So which are all the components available in laptop, the same kind of components available in server also. But your laptop is just for your home purpose. But server is for what? Deploying or placing our applications, please. Deploying and placing our applications. Clear all of you? But what is EC2? So what is the computing power? RAM, CPU, whatever which you have discussed. The computing power, if we can able to access over internet in elastic form, a flexible kind of computing power over internet, if we can able to access in a virtual form, is nothing but what? EC2. 1E, 2 Cs. 1E, 2 Cs. It's nothing but what? EC2. Got it very clear. Example, to understand this, I'll give a good example, you can understand. For example, I want to deploy a Hotstar kind of applications, or else a Prime Video, Netflix, any kind of website I want to post. So first, what we have to require, please, first we need to establish what? Network. Without network, there is a server. First, we need to establish what? Networking. On top of it, we are going to be creating what? First, we are going to be establishing network. Once if it is established network, we are going to be creating a server. On top of server, we're going to be host our Hotstar application. Once if it is host, we can able to access over internet from anywhere in the world, just like this. Done or happy? We are so happy. But the problem here is, where exactly our customer information, either email address, phone number, communication address, where we can able to maintain in our databases, relational database services, just like your Oracle databases, MySQL kind of databases, we can able to get it. We can able to get it, please. So, but one more question is pending. By using this RDS, we are going to be maintaining our larger videos or like series, web series, so Blu-ray printed Hollywood movies, Blu-ray printed Hollywood movies. We are watching in Hotstar or not. But if it is a Blu-ray printed, how much? What is the size of this files? More than 3 GB. So can able to hold this 3 GB of files in other RDS in databases? No, we can't. That is the reason. So we are going to be using what? S3, external storage. S3 is nothing but what? External storage, simple storage services. By using S3 bucket, we can upload, we can download any kind of information, any kind of data. Means like video file, audio file, text file, PDF, doc, image, any kind of file, we can upload, we can download over internet by using any device. Any device. Example, this PPT presentation coming from Google Drive itself. The best example S3 bucket is Google Drive. How we are uploading, how we are downloading files in Google Drive, same way our S3 bucket also. Means by using AWS, we can able to get a service, we can able to create a network, we can able to get a databases, we can able to store in externally also. By helping of these four infrastructures, these four modules, we can easily deploy our applications. We can easily presentations, I hope you people are understand what exactly AWS. For example, we're gonna be discussing about we are gonna be discussing about network like VPC. So first we should understand what is the network basics. Directly if you start AWS, you may understand, we may not be understand. So mostly you are not coming from networking background. Am I right? That is the reason first 3 4 classes we gonna be understand fundamentals of network. What is an IP address? What is subnet? What is static network? Dynamic network? IP addressing? Subnet? So network ID, host ID, classical, classful, classless, subnetting, router, modem, CIDR. So we're going to be discussing in very depth. After understanding fundamentals theoretically, then we are going to be the same concept, same understanding in AWS in a practical manner also. And moreover, we are going to be learning each and every model GUI, graphical representation. It is very easy. Graphical represent each and every model. So we're going to be understand CLI, command line interface. By executing commands, we can able to handle AWS. So we are going to be learning CF, cloud formation also. Means same concept we're going to be reiterating. So thrice and 4 times, 3 times we're going to be learning. That's what it is going to be taking 2.5 months or else. So 50 days is more than enough. So why it is taking? Because of, so graphically we're going to be learning, commandly we're going to be learning, and cloud formation means script. We're going to be writing some formats, not a programming, not a script also. It is some kind of formats we're going to be writing, and execute we can able to create infrastructure in AWS. So this is what exactly. This is like EPC, like EC2, like S3, like RDS we are going to be discussing this. This is what exactly for today's session. Today is more than enough. So we'll be continuing. So we will meet with tomorrow also, samely at same time. So before taking your questionnaire, so I have one more time, let us revise this course overview. Let us revise one more time, course overview please. Because some students are late joiners, that's what for them. Let them get benefited guys. This course is completely designed with what? AWS, Linux basics and shell script. Totally, the total duration of this course what? 2.5 months. So as a prerequisitions, I'm going to be covering Linux basics, shell scripts, and no programming is required like Java, .NET, not required. So you have a laptop. You require a laptop to practice. So freshers can join in this course. An experienced can also join in this course. Any graduate can join in this course. If you join in this course, which are all the benefits, guys, please daily class recording videos after the payment via Google Drive. You will be received after the payment. After receiving these videos, you're going to be accessing up to 11 months. So resume preparation, interview question and answers, 80% of material I will be providing with you. So our classes start from very basic level, ends with an advanced level. Each and every session is a practical oriented session. So daily 1 hour session, daily 1 hour session. So Monday to Saturday classes, sometime Saturday also holiday, but prior to one day I'll let you know. Sunday complete holiday, there is no classes on Sunday. So you're going to be paying 6,000 rupees for AWS, for daily recordings. For this batch only 5,000. So if you want to join next batch onwards, 6,000 will be. 6,000 will be. If you want to talk to Redmi regarding fees, is what I maybe talk to him. So 9297 double 0. You can WhatsApp or else you can call. If it is this number is busy, please call to this. And it is an exactly course content link. If you copy paste this link in the chat box in browser, you can access our course content link. Once if it is double click on this, it will be open. Please be open. It is totally around maybe 10 pages of the AWS content. Please revise once. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Please, my end. So do you have any questions, please? Any questions, please? Sarita, please wait. Definitely, I will talk to you. Please wait, Sarita. Please wait. Is there any live class or recording sessions? Each and every session is a live. So how exactly you attend the classes? Same every day. But after the session, I'm going to be providing recording also. But by helping of recording, you're able to practice. Recordings only for practice. You are regular attending sessions. After the session, you have any query, any doubt, please revise the class. Still you have any question after recording, you can clarify by next class also. So recordings, what is intention for recording? For recording, practice purpose. Venkat, yeah, you can. For this batch, 5,000. 5,000 with recordings. Sachin, I clearly mentioned 5,000 for what? For regular classes, for daily recordings, Venkat. Venkat, please, definitely I'll talk to you, please, definitely. One by one, please, definitely. So Abhijit asked this question, what about AWS certifications? You can able to do AWS certification, solution architect. After completion of this course, you can able to eligible to do certification, online exam. Eligible certificate, Abhijit. AWS certificate in AWS website. That will cost around maybe more than 18,000. Abhijit, yeah. No one. Anil, this is an exactly AWS administrator. Anil, Anil, answer is no for you. How much that cost? Obviously, around maybe 18,000. I didn't aware of that. Please, you can cross check it, please. Will you provide a certificates? After completion of course, you can receive a course complete certificate from our institute also. AWS certificate is different, our course institute certificate is different. Madhu. When you have to pay today, you can pay. If you're interested, you can pay today or tomorrow also you can pay. There is no problem. But we are going to be conducting 2-3 demos only, not long weekdays demo sessions. Maximum 2-3. Then we're going to be start regular sessions, please. First demo. What is this developer SaaS certificate? This is to help you. No one. ELK we are going to be. Terraform is not in this, Sada. ELK we are going to be learning. ELK is covered, yes. Sada, ELK is going to be covered, please. Yes, definitely, Abhijit. Yeah, you can able to do that. Abhijit, yes. Yeah. So still, we have another questions, please, all of you. Chat box. So who want to talk to me? Can you reply in the chat box? I will unmute. You can talk to me. Sarita and Sarita. 1 second. One by one, please. So a lot of people would want to talk to me. First, let me talk to Venkat, okay? Then go for Sada. Go for Sarita. Venkat, please. Venkat, please. K.
Yeah.
Venkat.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Please.
Sir, actually, I have some queries like regarding, like it is a admin course or AWS
It is,
development course,
it
sir.
is purely AWS administration.
So in AWS, again, development also is there. I mean, actually, I want to the AWS development. So that
You
is.
can able to do that also, but it is purely designed for AWS administration. Maybe if you service Lambda services, DAO tools. Yeah, you
Okay.
can also, but few services.
So, okay. So this course is usable for the PySpark also. Actually, I am working on PySpark. So, even I wanted learn the AWS. So which one I have to learn? Even still I have confusion. AWS admin I have to learn, or AWS development I have to learn for the PySpark developer. So that is I'm asking which one I
AWS
have.
developer and AWS developer you have to.
AWS developer. Okay, this course is not usable, sir, for
No,
the
no, no,
PySpark.
no. Some few services are different. That's it.
Okay. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, sir.
So Suresh asked this question. So which is a better cloud? AWS, Azure, GCP. All are same. But I recommend one of among any one of. One cloud should be perfect. One cloud should be perfect. And if you learn one cloud, the remaining clouds are very easy to learn. I recommend AWS because of learning AWS. Then Azure, Suresh. These two are important. First AWS, then Azure. GCP is not required. If it is possible, we're going to be adding those services, Lambda services, some services we have this. Uh, please, Gauri, please wait. So some other students are in the keep in the line. Please let it be. What next in the line, please? Sarita. Sarita, please talk to me, please.
Will
So
you cover Jenkins, GitHub, Docker?
that will be covered in DevOps course.
This is not DevOps course.
No, this is not a DevOps course. DevOps will be uh, 13th, 13th February, 6 p.m.
Okay.
I will be teaching
Uh,
DevOps also, but in timings are different. You
okay.
can join
Kubernetes also
7
will you teach? Kubernetes also will you teach?
Yeah, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Maven,
Okay.
Ansible, Chef, Vagrant,
What?
Kubernetes, Docker, AWS, all together.
Okay. How to create accounts, sir? By debit card or credit card?
Debit card, debit card. Azure is
Do
credit
it.
card, AWS is debit card, any Visa, MasterCard. I will explain next class. How to create AWS account, I will explain. I will show you. The
Okay.
class itself, I'll
What is
explain.
the difference? Yeah, you have already started one class in the
Okay.
morning 7 o'clock. Your new batch has started. What is the difference between morning classes and evening class
So
courses?
morning 6, 7 a.m. is a DevOps classes and completely DevOps plus AWS. Both are included. It is only purely
Okay.
discussing only AWS, no DevOps here.
Okay, okay. DevOps.
There is
In
no
morning,
DevOps.
yes, sir. I have one doubt. In morning session, we will complete all Docker, Kubernetes,
All
AWS,
together.
and
That classes it will
self
be more than
thing.
5.5 months. But this course is
5 and
completed
half
in
months.
2.5 months.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Sarita. Okay, then what next? Sadhana? No, so because of my students, some students are joining DevOps demos also. That's what they confuse it. So this course is purely AWS. But morning session which I conducted, that is DevOps plus AWS. The difference is that. Don't be confused. Okay, Sada, please.
Hi. So I'm actually
Father,
looking for
father.
application development point of view.
Okay.
So do you think this course will be helpful?
No, as of right now, we are focusing only AWS administration part.
So I'm pretty new to the AWS, means I don't have any basic knowledge also.
No,
So is it a good starting point?
yeah, you can start from here. You can switch as a development environment. You can do that. Sada.
So do you have any developer course going on or anything upcoming?
I will let you know, please, in future.
Okay, and in this course, by any chance, you will cover those topics like Terraform or Lambda basic thing?
So lambdas we are going to be included. Terraform is I'm thinking about that. Not as of right now, it is not included. In future, we're going to be include Terraform also.
Okay, and in developer course, all this Terraform will be there,
Yes, yes. Terraform is
and
there.
you are going to take care for the developer also.
Yes, yes. I will. But not as of this course. There is no. I didn't include those topics.
Okay. Do you have any plan for the developer course upcoming
Yeah, I will
in
be. I
future?
will be. I will be. I will be, Sada.
Okay, nothing scheduled now.
As of right, there is no schedule.
Okay, and last question. So for certification, which certification will be helpful after completing?
AWS Solution Architect.
Okay, so you are saying after completing this course, I will be able to write AWS solution architect without taking any further classes?
Yes, 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 you can.
Are you going to provide with some question and
Yeah,
answer
some
dumps,
questionnaire,
everything?
yes, dump I will provide. Don't worry.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes. Then what next? Who is talking, please?
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
So the same doubt what he has asked. So I'm a Java developer. So will this course will be helpful, or do we have any other courses for
No,
the
is this
development?
helpful? But some few services we need to add it here, like Lambda and Terraform. That will be maybe we planning for next batch.
Yeah, can you
As of
please
right.
send those details if it is scheduled to me, because I'm interested.
I'll as
to
of right
join.
now not scheduled, but we plan for next batch definitely.
Yeah, yes, sir. So for the online students, for the questionnaire answer section. So after the end of these sections,
End up decision. Middle, if you discussion, definitely the remaining people will be disturbed.
okay.
So
So
that is
like this, what we are
you
having now.
yeah, you can ask in the chat box. I can definitely reply. But so voice audio chat might be none.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Sachin, huh? Sachin. Yeah, please wait, Sachin. Sachin Javed. Please.
Hello.
Yeah, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, my question is that along with this course, you are going to teach us Linux and Shell also.
Huh, obviously, Linux basics and shell script also.
Okay. Yeah.
So is there any other in the queue, please? Is there any other students want to talk to me? Can you reply in the chat box? Is any other student want to talk to me? Ritish, 1 second, Ritish.
Hi, sir.
Ritish.
Actually, I have 6+ years of experience, so I just want to transition my career into this AWS. So just
Okay.
want to know, is this course like for starting? Is this course sufficient for me to just transition my career?
Yeah, you can, Ritesh.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
But one more thing is there. Suppose I want to transition. Do I need to show any extra experience in this? Suppose as a fresher, if I want to go, then is it
No. You're already experienced and you have to show an experience only.
right? Like how much should I
You
show? Like,
can show minimum 2 to 3, 2.5.
but for that, I just need to kind of projects as well that I
Yeah,
have
yeah,
completed.
yeah. I will explain those things.
Okay, that will be covering, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and this is the admin course, right, sir?
Yes, yes. Administration course.
Okay, and how the practicals will cover because I'll be joining this course online. So
So
just
that's
wanna
what
know.
each and every session is a practical oriented session, and I will explain each and everything in front of you live. The
Okay,
same thing you have to simulate in your laptop. Still, if you have any struggle, so you can revise the class by using recordings.
okay,
Still, if you can't do that, you can track in next session by end or beginning of the session. You can
mhm,
you can do that. Still, if you can, you can talk to me like this. Still, if you can, you can share
mhm,
a screen. I can able to help you.
okay. So will there be any assistance in interviews or
Entry
to get
question and answer. I will resume preparation. Entry questions. I will share. Sure.
okay, that will be assisted. Fine, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mm,
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So, is there any question offline students? Yes, please. So we will continue by tomorrow with same link at the same time. Tomorrow session with the same link, same time. Will be continued by tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Will be continued. Thank you. before starting the session, first let me fix our agenda. Today we are going to be understand what is AWS. Today we are going to be understand what is an exactly DevOps. We are going to be understand, guys, please. Before starting this demonstration, let me overview of this course. What exactly this course? Let us describe first. This course is complete AWS plus Linux basics and shell script. The combination of these three, this is the course. The total duration of this course is 2.5 months. It will take to complete this course 2.5 months. So for learning this course, Linux basics required, that I will be covered. Shell script basics required, that I will be covered. No programming is required like Java, .NET, Python. No programming is required, and moreover, we are not writing any programming in this course. Programs are not required. We are not writing any programs. You have a laptop with this configuration for practice for each and every day. Who can join in this course, guys, please? Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course, please. And if you join in this course, which are all the benefits, guys, please? Daily class recordings after the payment via Google Drive you will be received from data of registration. You are going to be accessing up to 11 months. Resume preparation, interview question answers, 80% of soft material. So I'm going to be providing with you. So we're going to be discussing from basic level to advanced level, and each and every session is a practical oriented session. Each and every session is a practical oriented session, guys, please. And daily we're going to be spending 1 hour. That means you need to practice 2 hours per day. Totally 1 plus 2, 3 hours you have to promise yourself every day. So classes are Monday to Saturday. Sometimes Saturday is holiday, but prior to one day, let you know. Maximum Monday to Saturday we have a session, sir. Sometimes, rarely, we don't have any classes on Saturdays, but prior to one day, I'll be informing with you. The course fees is 6,000 rupees. Course fees is what? 6,000 rupees. You are going to be paying for complete AWS course. The 6,000 rupees you're going to be paying for complete AWS. For daily recording sessions, daily recordings you're going to be receiving. For that also going to be paying 6,000 for this batch. For this, because of this batch, so only 5,000. Okay, for next cycle onwards, next batch onwards, it will be 6,000. That means you're going to be paying 5,000. So if you want to talk to admin, please call to 9297 9297 and 77. If any admin kind of question related to payments or else payment gateway, whatever may be, so you need to call to them. So either you can call or else you can able to WhatsApp also, that is an issue. Okay. If this number is busy, please call to this number. And this is an exactly course content. Course content link. If you copy paste this link in the chat box, means in the browser, you can able to revise my course content. What exactly we are going to be covering in this 2.5 months, we can able to, the first document, you know very well, course overview. The second document is what exactly? AWS content. It is totally around maybe 10 pages of AWS content. 10 pages of AWS pages of AWS content. 10 pages of AWS content. So each and every student, so please be get it from chat box, or else you can take a photo. Please be take a snap by using your mobile, either offline or online. This will be further communication, please. Please take a one snap, one photo by using your mobile. So, yeah, shall we start a demonstration, please? So before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Maha. I have totally 15 years of IT experience. My career starts as a Java developer. Then I turn as DevOps engineer, senior DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer as well as AWS and with Azure also. This is in exactly my profile. So today we're going to be discussing about what is AWS. Before starting, so I'm going to be asking you one question. Please answer to me. What is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? Application is equal to website. Application is equal to websites, like a Flipkart website, like Book My Show, Redbus, IRCTC. These are all we are calling as what? Application. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming like Java, .NET, Python. We are called as what? Application. That application we are gonna be placed. We're gonna be placed on servers. So the working software as an application, we are gonna be placed on hundreds of servers. We're gonna be placed on hundreds of servers. Once if it is placed our application on hundreds of servers, we are going to be accessing our internet as a website. I hope you people are understand what is an application. Anybody help me? Application is equal to website. That a website we're going to be host on server side. Then we are going to be accessing over a internet. So, the next question I'm going to be ask you, what is in exactly infrastructure? So, for maintaining our application, for deploying our application, we required a infrastructure. What is infrastructure? For example, to conduct this session, means this DevOps classes or what may be AWS classes, we require infrastructure or not? Chairs, tables, laptop, TV, internet connection, AC, my water bottle. These are all infrastructure or not? Without this infrastructure, can able to conduct these sessions or not? No. The same way, for maintaining our applications, for deploying our websites, what kind of infrastructure is required? That is my question. So majorly we require servers. We require servers. We require networks. We require databases. We require storages. So these are all major infrastructure is required to maintain our websites on hundreds what is infrastructure, but how many ways we can able to get this infrastructure? How many ways? How many ways to get infrastructure? We can able to 3 ways totally. First one is what? By physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. Either physically or virtually or cloud environment. Server is same, but way of getting is different. We can able to get servers either by physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. I hope you understood very clearly. So I'll repeat one more time. So for maintaining our applications, we require this infrastructure. This infrastructure either by physically or by virtually or by cloud environment we can able to get it. But tell me, what is cloud computing? What is cloud? The cloud is nothing but a internet. But what is the computing, please? What is an exactly compute? So you have a computing power in a laptop or yes, which kind of computing power? RAM, CPU, hard disk, we are calling as a computing power now. That's what we're calling as a computer. So what is the computing power? Please tell me. What is the computing power? So which you having a hardware resources in your laptop. The same kind of computing power in servers also. Like RAM, CPU, motherboard. The hardware which you are seeing, which you have, that we are calling as what? Computing power. But what is the cloud computing? My question is very specifically I'm asking. What is exactly cloud computing? Listen very carefully. The remote placed resources. The remote placed resources like remote placed computing power. If you can able to access over a internet from your laptop, nothing but what? Cloud computing. So what is a cloud computing? Please anybody help me? Remote placed resources. If we can able to access over internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. Cloud computing. First, let us understand what is a data center. So what is a data center? Simple way. They use the computing power, keeping in a rack wise in a big room, we calling as a data center. Just like your building, just like your institute, just like your home, just like your apartment. These data centers are existing physically, we can able to see with your eyes. How exactly you can able to touch your mobile, how exactly you can able to see your laptop, same way of physical or data centers we can able to see with our eyes. These data centers are physically existing. So from these data centers, if we can able to access a computing power or resources or infrastructure, our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. I'll repeat. These data centers are located in different geographical locations, like in US, like in Singapore, like in Mumbai, like in Hyderabad also. These data centers are physically exist throughout the globe. So from these data centers, if we can able to access infrastructure, our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud compute. Let me repeat one more time. So remote placed resources. Remote means somewhere else, like in US, Singapore, or Mumbai. From remote placed resources, resource is nothing but what? Either server or network or databases or storages. If we can able to access remote placed resources over internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. I hope you people are understand very clearly what is a cloud computing. Tell me, which is easy for you? Which is exactly easy for you? Select the news and build the news. Always we are going to be preferring only select then use. Select then use means. So any cloud is going to be providing only rental based infrastructure. We're not buying anything by using cloud. We are not buying, but we are going to be taking rental infrastructure. Instead of buying infrastructure, we're going to be taking what? Rental infrastructure. So I will give you a good example. You can understand much. Just listen very carefully. So I want to go to railway station. I want to go to railway station by car. I buy car. I can get a car. First way, buy car, buying a car, and you need to railway station. The second option was rental like Ola Uber, which is for us rentals. So simply, just for reaction, spending 10 lakhs rupees. It is stupid idea, am I right or wrong? Instead of buying a car, just book a Ola cab. Within 10 minutes, the car is available at your doorstep. Happily can able to reach railway station. What are the tariff? Can pay up to maybe 300 to 500. That's after that, do not worry about the car. But still, if you have a buy a car, what will happen? We have to spend upfront amount 10 lakhs. Then that's it. No, license is required. RC copy required. Pollution check is required. Insurance copy is required. So you have a driving license. Moreover, you have to drive. If you don't have driving, you have one time loss. These are all the headaches. Instead of that, just go for Ola cab. Just go for rental cab. Right or wrong? The same example applicable for applications also. Just for deploying our applications, really are you going to buying a server or else rental service which is easy for you? Rental. Rental server. So we're going to be getting rental service and easily we are going to be deploying means applications and we can able to fulfill our purpose. But instead of that, if you buy a service, what will happen? We have to keep service in a data center, means like this ego. Who will pay the rent for every month? Current bill, who will pay? Employee salaries. There's a lot of headache. Instead of buying, we are always looking for what? For what? Maintain, deploy our websites. This is an exactly cloud. Why we are moving into the cloud? For just rental infrastructure. Rental infrastructure. So any cloud, Google, either Azure or AWS, any cloud, any cloud, any cloud. So providing rental infrastructure only. Any cloud provider, they are providing only rental infrastructure. But we are going to be learning out of those AWS, Amazon Web Services. Any cloud same, but so providers are different. Providers are different. But which cloud we going to be learning? Which cloud provider? AWS, Amazon Web Services. AWS is a first to cloud provider. AWS is a first to cloud provider. AWS is a first to cloud in 2002 might be. So that is the reason it is popular. It is first provider. So it is occupied more than 60-50% of market. And tell me. We'll discuss. Okay. In AWS, we are discussing totally 4 modules. Each module will take 2 weeks. Each module we're going to be spending 2 weeks of time. So what is the first module? VPC. Second module is what? EC2. Third module is what? RDS. Fourth module is what? S3. VPC is nothing but what? Network. EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. But let it be right. So EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. So network is nothing but what? VPC. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. So for deploying our applications, what kind of infrastructure we require? we can able to get it from cloud. We can able to get it from cloud as a rental base. As a rental base. First, let us understand what is the VPC, what is EC2, what is S3. Let us deep diving into this, please. Let us deep diving into this, please. So, what is the VPC? VPC is nothing but what? Network. VPC is nothing but what? Network. So a isolated network, office kind of private network, we are going to get it over internet in a virtual form with nothing but what? VPC. I think and everybody knows exactly network. They visit any office, so the computer connecting with internet cable, right or not? That is an exactly network. In your home, we have a broadband connection or not? We have a modem. That modem we have internet cable connecting with your laptop or not? Even my also connected with network. Without network, there is no sir. So, but these networks are private networks. Your offnet is what? Private network. You can't access from outside. So that's what I want to tell you. Isolated, a office kind of private network. If we can able to access over a virtual form is nothing but what? VPC. By using VPC, we can able to create a number of networks. N number of networks. So for example, first network is for you. Second network is for me. Third networks are for my friend. N number of networks we can create. There is no limit. There is no limit. N number of networks. I'll repeat my very carefully. Anybody can get into the AWS. You and me, anybody. But after getting into AWS, we can able to create our private section. This is exactly our private section. No one can enter into this. You can do whatever you want. Without your permission, no one can enter. No one can enter. We can create a servers here. We can create a databases also. For example, so we have two companies. One company name is what? TCS. And second company is what? HCL. So TCS and HCL, both companies are using AWS. But once if it is getting, TCS people can able to create their own network. HCL people also can create their own network. But HCL can't be getting into TCS. TCS can't be getting into HCL. So that's kind of like a level of security is available inside AWS. So what is the network? Anybody help me? A virtual private network is your private section of AWS, where you can able to place resources like servers and databases. Who can access? Who can't be accessed? We can able rules and regulations. Is nothing but what? VPC. Simply we can say only one word. VPC equal to network. It is more than enough. VPC equal to network, private network, whatever. But what about EC2? By helping of EC2, you able to create a service. So how exactly your laptop has, which are all the components, has your laptop, same kind of resources, components are also like CPU, operating system, hard disk, RAM, firewall, NIC. So which are all the components available in laptop, the same kind of components available in server also. But your laptop is just for your home purpose. But server is for what? Deploying or placing our applications. Deploying and placing our applications. What is this? So what is the computing power? What I which you have discussed. The computing power, if we can able to access over internet in an elastic form, a flexible kind of computing power over internet, if we can able to access in a virtual form, is nothing but EC2, 1E2 sys, 1E2 sys. It's nothing but what? EC2. Got it very clear. Example, to understand this, I'll give a good example you can understand. For example, I want to deploy a Hotstar kind of applications or else a Prime Video, that is any kind of website or post. So first what we have to require to establish what? Network. Without network there is no server. First we need to establish what? Networking. On top of it, we are going to be creating what? First, we are establishing network. Once it is established network, we are going to create server. On top of server, we're going to be host our hard server application. If it is host, we can able to access over internet from anywhere in the world. Just then we are so happy. The problem here is where exactly our customer information, email address, phone number, communication address, where we can able to maintain in our databases, relational database services, just like your Oracle databases, MySQL kind of databases, we can able to get it. We can able to get it, please. So, but by using this RDS, we are going to be maintaining our larger videos like series, web series, so Blu-ray printed Hollywood movies, Blu-ray printed Hollywood movies. We are watching in Hotstar or not. But if it is Blu-ray printed, what is the size of this files? More than 3 GB. So can able to hold this 3 GB of files in the RDS in databases? No, we cannot. That is the reason. So we are going to be using what? S3, external storage. S3 is nothing but what? External storage, simple storage services. By using S3 bucket, we can upload, we can download any kind of information, any kind of data. Means like video file, audio file, text file, PDF, doc, image, any kind of file, we can upload, we can download over internet by any device, any device. Example, this PPT presentation coming from Google. The best example is Google Drive. How we are uploading, how we are downloading files in Google Drive, same way our S3 bucket also. Means by using AWS, we can able to get a service, we can able to create, we can able to get a databases, we can able to store in external. By helping of these 4 infrastructures, these 4 modules, we can easily deploy our applications. We can easily deploy our applications. I hope you people are understand what exactly AWS. For example, we're gonna be discussing about we are gonna be discussing about network like VPC. So first we should understand what is the network basics. Directly if you start AWS, you may understand, we may not be understand. So mostly you are not coming from networking background, right? That is the reason first 3-4 classes we're going to be understand fundamentals of network. What is an IP address? What is static network, dynamic network, IP addressing, subnet. So network ID, host ID, classical, classful, classless, subnetting, router, modem, CIDR. So we're going to be discussing in very depth. After understanding fundamentals theoretically, then we are going to be the same understanding in AWS in a practical manner. And moreover, we are going to be learning each and every model GUI, graphical representation. This is very graphical. Each and every model. So we're going to be understand command line interface. By executing commands, we can able to handle AWS. So we are going to be learning CF. Cloud formation also means same as we're going to be reiterating. So thrice and 4 times, 3 times we're going to be learning. That's what it is going to be taking 2.5 months or else. So 50 days is more than enough. So why it is taking? Because of so graphically we're going to be learning, commandly we're going to be learning, and cloud formation means script. We're going to be writing some formats, not a programming, not a script also. It is some kind of formats we're going to be writing, and execute we can able to create an infrastructure in AWS. So this is what exactly. This is like EPC, like EC2, like S3, like RDS we are going to be discussing. This is what exactly for today's session. Today is more than enough. So we'll be continuing. So we will meet with tomorrow also, same link at same time. So before taking a questionnaire, before taking your questionnaire. So I have one more time, let us revise this course overview. Let us revise one more time, course overview please. Because some students are late joiners, that's what for them. Let them get benefited guys. This course is completely designed with what? AWS, Linux basics and shell script. The total duration of this course what? 2.5 months. So as a prerequisitions, I'm going to be covering Linux basics, shell scripts, and no programming is required, like Java.NET not required. So you have a laptop, you require a laptop to practice. So freshers can join this course, an experienced can also join in this course. Any graduate can join in this course. If you join in this course, which are all the benefits guys, please? Daily class recording videos after the payment via Google Drive, you will be received. After receiving these videos, you're going to be accessing up to 11 months. So resume preparation, interview question and answers, 80% of material I will be providing with you. So our classes start from very basic level, ends with an advanced level. Each and every session is a practical oriented session. So daily hour session, daily 1 hour session. So Monday to Saturday classes, sometimes Saturday also holiday, but prior to one day I'll let you know. Sunday complete holiday, no classes are Sunday. So you're going to be paying 6,000 rupees for AWS, for daily recordings. For this batch only 5,000. So if you want to charge onwards, 6,000 will be. 6,000 will be. If you want to talk to Redmi regarding fees, is what I maybe talk to him. So 9297 9297 double 0. You can WhatsApp or else you can call. If it is this number, please call this. It is an exactly course link. If you copy this link in the chat box in browser, you can access our course link. Once if it is double click on this, it will be open. Please be open. It is totally around maybe 10 pages of the AWS content. Please revise. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Please, my end. So do you have any questions, please? Any questions, please? Sarita, please wait. Definitely, I will talk to you. Please wait, Sarita. Please wait. Is there any live class or recording sessions? Each and every session is a live. So how exactly you attend the classes? Same every day. But after the session, I'm going to be providing recording also. But by helping of recording, you're able to practice. Recordings only for practice. You are regular attending sessions. After the session, you have any query, any doubt, please revise the class. Still you have any question after recording, you can clarify by next class also. So recordings, what is intention for recording? For recording, practice purpose. Venkat, yeah, you can. For this batch, 5,000. 5,000 is recordings. Sachin, I clearly mentioned 5,000 for what? For regular classes, for daily recordings, Venkat. Venkat, please definitely I'll talk to you exactly. One by one, please, definitely. So Abhijit asked this question, what about certifications? You can able to datable certification, solution architect. After completion of this course, you can able to eligible to do certification, online exam. Eligible certificate, Abhijit. AWS certificate in AWS website. That will cost around maybe more than 18,000. Abhijit, yeah. No only. Anil, this is an exactly AWS administrator. Anil, answer is no for you. How much that cost? Obviously, around maybe 18,000. I didn't aware of that. Please, he can cross check it, please. Will you provide a certificates? After completion of course, you can receive a course complete certificate from institute also. AWS certificate is different, our course institute certificate is different. Madhu. Venkat, please wait. I will talk to you. When you have to pay today, you can pay. If you're interested, you can pay today or tomorrow also you can pay. There is no problem. But we are going to be conducting 2-3 demos only, not long weekdays demo sessions. Maximum 2-3. Then we're going to be start regular sessions, please. First demo. What is this developer SaaS certificate? This is will help you. No one. ELK we are going to be. Terraform is not in this, Sada. ELK we are going to be learning. ELK is covered, yes. Sada, ELK is going to be covered, please. Yes, definitely, Abhijit. Yeah, you can able to do that. Abhijit, yes. Yeah. So still, do you have any other questions, please, all of you? Chat box. So who want to talk to me? Can you reply in the chat box? I will unmute. You can talk to me. Sarita and Sarita. One second. One by one, please. So a lot of people want to talk to me. First, let me talk to Venkat, okay? Then go for Sada. Go for Sarita. Venkat, please. Venkat, please. K. Venkat.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Please.
Sir, actually, I have some queries like regarding, like it is a admin course or AWS development course, sir?
It is purely AWS administration.
So in AWS, again, development also is there. I mean, actually, I want to the AWS development. So that
you
is-
can able to do that also, but it is purely designed for AWS administration. Maybe if you service Lambda services, DAO tools. Yeah, you can also, but few services.
So okay, so this course is usable for the PySpark also. Actually, I am working on PySpark. So even I wanted learn the AWS. So which one I have to learn? Even still I have confusion. AWS admin I have to learn, or AWS development I have to learn for the PySpark developer. So that is I'm asking which one I
AWS
have.
developer and AWS developer you have to.
AWS developer. Okay, this course is not usable, sir, for the PySpark.
No. Some few services are different. That's it.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, sir.
So Suresh asked this question. So which is the better cloud? AWS, Azure, GCP. All are same. But I recommend one of among any one of. One cloud should be perfect. One cloud should be perfect. And if you learn one cloud, the remaining clouds are very easy to learn. I recommend AWS because of learning AWS. Then Azure. Suresh. These two are important. First AWS, then Azure. GCP is not required. If it is possible, we're going to be adding those services, Lambda services, some services we have. Please, Gauri, please wait. So some other students are in the keep in the line. Please let it be. What next in the line, please? Sarita. Sarita, please talk to me, please.
Will you cover Jenkins, GitHub, Docker?
That will be covered in DevOps course.
This is not DevOps course?
No, this is not a DevOps course. DevOps will be 13th February, 6 p.m.
Okay.
I will be teaching DevOps also, but in timings are different.
Okay, Kubernetes also will you teach? Kubernetes also will you teach?
Yeah, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Maven,
Okay.
Ansible, Chef, Vagrant, Kubernetes, Docker, AWS, all together.
Okay. How to create accounts, sir? By debit card or credit card?
Debit card. Azure is there.
Intuit?
AWS is debit card. Any Visa, Mastercard. I will explain next class. How to create AWS account, I will explain. I will show you. The
Okay.
class itself, I'll
What
explain.
is the difference? Yeah, you have already started one class in the morning.
Okay.
Morning 7 o'clock. Your new batch has started. What is the difference between morning class and evening class course?
Morning 7 a.m. is DevOps. Completely DevOps plus AWS. Buff included. It is only purely discussing only AWS. No DevOps here.
Okay. DevOps.
There
In
is
one class, Yes, sir. I have one doubt. In morning session, we will complete all Docker, Kubernetes,
Not
AWS,
completely. That
and
is though that
self
classes it takes more than five and a half months. This is
Five and a
complete
half.
syllabus.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarita. Okay, then what next? Sadhana. No, so because of my students, some students are joining DevOps demos also. That's why. So this course is only purely AWS. But morning session which I conducted, that is DevOps is AWS. The difference is that. Don't be confused. Okay, Sada, please.
Hi. So I'm actually
Hello.
looking for
Hello.
application development point of view.
Okay.
So do you think this course will be helpful?
No, as of right now, we are focusing only AWS administration part.
So I'm pretty new to the AWS, means I don't have any basic knowledge also.
No,
So
it's,
is it a good starting point?
Yeah, you can start from here. You can then you can switch as a development environment. So you can do that.
So
Sada.
do you have any developer course going on or anything upcoming?
I will let you know, please, in future.
Okay, and in this course, by any chance, you will cover those topics like Terraform or Lambda basic thing?
So lambdas we are going to be included. Terraform is I'm thinking about that. Not as of right now, it is not included. In future, we're going to be include Terraform also.
Okay, and in developer course, all this Terraform will be there,
Yes, yes. Terraform is
and
there.
you are going to take care for the developer also.
Yes, yes. I will. But as of now, there is no. I didn't include those topics.
Okay. Do you have any plan for the developer course upcoming?
Yeah, I will
In
be. I
future?
will be. I will be. I will be, Sada.
Okay, nothing scheduled now.
As of right, there is no schedule.
Okay, and last question. So for certification, which certification will be helpful after completing?
AWS Solution Architect.
Okay, so you are saying after completing this course, I will be AWS Solution Architect without taking any further classes.
Yes, yes, yes. You can.
Are you going to provide with
Yes,
me?
I provide.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes. Then what next? Who is talking, please?
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
So the same doubt what he has asked. So I'm a Java developer. So this course will be helpful, or do we have any other courses for
No,
the
is this
development?
helpful? But some few services we need to add it here, like Lambda and Terraform. That will be planned for next batch.
Yeah, can you
As of
please
right.
send those details if it is scheduled to me, because I'm interested.
As
to
of right
join.
now, not scheduled, but we plan for next batch definitely.
Yeah, yes, sir. So for the online students, for the question and answer section, so after the end of these sections,
End up this in middle if you discussion, definitely the remaining people will listen.
okay.
So
So
that is
like this, what we are having now.
yeah, yeah. You can ask in the chat. I can reply. But so why is audio chart again?
Okay, yes.
Sachin, huh? Sachin. Yeah, please wait, Sachin. Sachin Javed. Please.
Hello.
Yeah, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, my question is that along with this course, you are going to teach us Linux and Shell.
Yes, basics and shell script also.
Okay. Yeah.
So is there any other in the queue, please? Is any other students want to talk to me? Can you reply in the chat box? Is any other student want to talk to me? Itish, second.
I have 6+ years of experience, so I just want to transition my career into this AWS. So just
Okay.
want to know, is this course like for starting? Is this course sufficient for me to just transition my career?
Yeah, you can do.
Okay. Uh, but one more thing is there. Suppose I want to transition. Do I need to show any extra experience in this? Suppose as a fresher, if I want to go, then is it
No, you already experienced, you have to show an experience zone.
right? How much should I
You
show?
can
Like,
do minimum 2 to 3, 2.5.
but for that, I just need to show any kind of projects as well, right? That
Yeah,
complete.
yeah. I like those things.
Okay, that will be covered.
Yes, yes.
Okay. This is the admin course, right, sir?
Yes, yes. Administration course.
Okay. And how the practicals will be covered, because I'll be joining this course online. So
So
just
that's
wanna
what
know.
each and every session is a practical oriented session, and I will explain each and everything in front of you live. The
Okay.
same thing you have to simulate in your laptop. Still, if you have any struggle, so you can revise the class by using recordings.
Okay.
Still, if you can't do that, you can track the next session by end or beginning of the session. you can do that. Still, if you can, you can talk to me like this. Still, if you can, you can share your screen. I can able to help you.
So will they insist in interviews or
Entry
also?
question. I will registration entry questions. I'll share.
Okay, that will be assisted. Fine, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So, is there any question offline students? So we will be continue by tomorrow with same link at the same time. Tomorrow we have a session with the same link, same time. We'll be continue by tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll be continue. Thank you. before starting the session, first let me fix our agenda. Today, we are going to be understand what is AWS. Today, we are going to be understand what is an exactly DevOps. We are going to be understand, guys, please. Before starting this demonstration, let me overview of this course. What exactly this course? Let us describe first. This course is complete AWS plus Linux basics and shell script. The combination of these three, this is the course. The total duration of this course is 2.5 months. It will take to complete this course 2.5 months. So for learning this course, Linux basics required, that I will be covered. Shell script basics required, that I will be covered. No programming is required like Java, .NET, Python. No programming is required, and moreover, we are not writing any programming in this course. Programs are not required. We are not writing any programs. You have a laptop with this configuration for this session every day. Who can join this course, guys, please? Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course, please. And if you join this course, which are all the benefits, guys, please? Daily class recordings after the via Google Drive, you will be received from data registration. You are going to national resume preparation, interview question answers, 80% of soft material. So I'm going to be providing with you. So we're going to be discussing from basic level to advanced level, and each every session is a practical oriented session. Each and every session is practical oriented session, guys. And daily you're spending 1 hour. That means you need to practice 2 hours. Totally 1 to 3 hours. You have to promise yourself every day. So classes are Monday to Saturday. Sometimes Saturday is holiday, but prior to one day, let me. Maximum Monday, Saturday we have a session. Sometimes rarely we don't have any classes on Saturdays, but prior to one day, I'll be informing with you. The course fees is 6,000 rupees. Course fees is what? 6,000 rupees. You are going to be paying for complete AWS course. The 6,000 rupees you are going to be paying for complete AWS. For daily recording sessions, daily recordings you're going to be receiving. For that also going to be paying 6,000 for this batch. For this batch. So only 5. Next cycle onwards, next batch onwards, it will be 6,000. That means going to pay 5,000. So if you want to please call to 9297 927. If any admin kind of question related to payment, payment gateway, whatever. So you need to call to them. So either you can call or also you can do WhatsApp also, that is an issue. Okay. If this number is easy, please call to this number. And it's an exactly course content link. If you copy paste this link in the chat box, means you can able to revise my course content. What exactly we are going to be covering in this 4 months, we can able to the first document you know very well. The second document is what exactly? AWS content. Totally around maybe 10 pages of AWS. 10 pages of AWS. 10 pages of AWS content. 10 pages of AWS content. So each and every student, so please be from chat box, or else you can take a photo. Please be take a snap by using your mobile, either offline or online. This will be for communication, please. Please take one snap, one photo by using your mobile. Yeah. So yeah, shall start a demonstration, please. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Maha. I having 50 years of IT experience. My career starts as a Java developer. Then I turn as DevOps engineer, senior DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer as well as AWS and with Azure also. This is exactly my profile. So today we're going to be discussing about what is AWS. Before starting, so I'm going to be asking you one question. Answer quickly. What is an exactly application? Application. What is an exactly application? Application is equal to application equal to websites like a Flipkart website, like Book My Show, Redbus, ISCTC. These are all we are calling as what? Application. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming like Java, .NET, Python. We are called as what? Application. That application we are gonna be placed. We're gonna be placed on servers. So the working software as an application, we are gonna be placed on hundreds of servers. Once we placed application on hundreds of servers, we are going to be accessing over internet as a website. I hope you people are understand what is an application. It will help me. Application to website. That a website going to be host on server side. Then we are going to be accessing over a internet. So, the next question I'm going to be ask you, what is an exactly infrastructure? So for maintaining application, for deploying application, we require infrastructure. What is infrastructure? For example, to conduct this session means this DevOps classes or what may be AWS classes, we require infrastructure or no? Chairs, tables, laptop, TV, internet connection, AC, my water bottle. This is all infrastructure. No? Without this infrastructure, can able to conduct this session? No. Same way. For maintaining our application, for deploying our sites, what kind of infrastructure is required? That is my question. So majorly, we require servers. We require servers. We require networks. We require databases. We require storage. So there are major infrastructure is required to maintain our websites on hundreds of servers. Clear? What we understood? What is infrastructure? We understood. How many ways we can able to get this infrastructure? How many ways? How many ways to get infrastructure? We can able to get this totally. By physical environment or virtual environment or cloud. Either physically or virtually or cloud environment. Server is same, but way of getting is different. We able to get servers either by physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. I will clear. Sorry, one more time. So for maintaining applications, we require this infrastructure. This infrastructure either by physically or by virtually or by cloud environment we can able to get it. But tell me, what is cloud computing? What is cloud? Cloud is nothing but internet. But what computing, please? What is an exactly view? You. So you have a RAM, CPU, hard. We are calling as a computing power now. That is computing. What is computing power? Please tell me. What is the computing power? So which having a hard resources in your laptop. The same kind of computing power in server. Like the motherboard, the hardware which you are seeing, which we have, that we are calling as what? Computing. But what is the cloud computing? My question is very specifically I'm asking you. What is exactly cloud computing? Listen very carefully. The remote placed resources. The remote placed resources like remote placed computing. If you can able to access over internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. So what is the cloud computing? Is anybody help me? Remote placed resources. If we can able to access over internet from laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. cloud computing, which is very clear. First, let us understand what is a data center. So data center, simple way, they use the computing bar, keeping a rack wise in a big room, calling as a data center. Just like your building, just like institute, just like your home, just like your apartment. Existing physically, we can able to see with your eyes. How exactly can you mobile? How exactly can you see your laptop? Say, of physical or data centers, we can able to see with our eyes. The data centers are physically existing. So from these data centers, if you can able to access a company or resources or infrastructure, our internet from a laptop cloud. These data centers are located in different geographical locations, like in US, like in Singapore, like in Mumbai, like in Hyderabad also. These data centers are physically exist throughout the globe. So from these data centers, if we can able to access infrastructure, our internet laptop is nothing but cloud compute. Let me repeat one more time. So remote place resources. Remote means somewhere else, like in US, Singapore, or Mumbai. From remote place resources, resource is nothing but either server or network or databases or storages. If we can able to access remote place resources, our internet from your laptop is nothing but cloud computing. I hope you people are understand very clearly what is a cloud computing. Which is easy for you. Which is the next easy for you. Set news and build the news. Always we are going to be preferring only select the news on. Select the news means so any cloud is going to be providing only rental based infrastructure. We're not buying any using cloud. We're not buying, but we're going to be taking rental infrastructure. Instead of buying infrastructure, we're going to be taking rental infrastructure. So I'll give you a good example. You can understand much deeper. Just listen very carefully. So I want to go to railway station. I can able to get a two ways. So first way, buying a and station. Second option is what? Rental, like Bola. Which is better for us? Rental always. So simply, just for reaching a railway station, are you really buying a car? For spending 10 lakhs. Instead of buying a car, just book a wallet cab. Within 10 minutes, the car is available at your doorstep. Happily, can you station? What is the tariff? Can pay up to maybe 3 to 300 to 400, 500. That's it. After that, do not worry about the car. But still, if you have a buy a car, we have to spend after 10 lakhs. Then that's it. No license required. Copy is required. Police check is required. Insurance copy required. So you have a driving license. No, you have to drive. If you don't have driving, you have to hire one driver also. These are all the headaches if you want to get a car. Instead of that, just go for like car. Just go for rental car. Simple, applicable for applications also. Just for deploying applications, really are you buying a server? All the rental servers, which is easy rental server. So we go rental and easily we are going to be deploying means placing our applications and we can able to fulfill our purpose. Easy. Instead of that, if you buy a service, what will happen? You have to keep servers in a data center. Means like this we go. Who will pay the rent for every month? Current bill, who will pay? Employee salaries. There's a lot of headache. Instead of buying, we are always looking for what? Rental service for maintaining, deploying our websites. This is exactly cloud. Why we are moving into cloud? For just rental infrastructure. Rental infrastructure. So either Google, either Azure or AWS, any cloud. So providing rental infrastructure only. Any cloud provider, they are providing only rental infrastructure. But we are able out of those AWS, Amazon Web Services. So providers are different. But which provider going to learning experience? Which provider? AWS, Amazon Web Services. AWS first to cloud provider. AWS first to cloud provider. AWS is a first to cloud provider 2002 ID. So that is the reason it is popular. So we could occupy more than 60% of market. And tell me, We'll discuss by. Okay. In AWS, we are discussing totally 4 modules. Each module will take 2 weeks. Each module we're going to be spending 2 weeks of time. So first, what is the first module? VPC. Second module is what? EC2. Third module is what? RDS. Fourth module is what? S3. VPC is nothing but what? Network. EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. RDS nothing but databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. But let it write down. So EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. So network is nothing but what? VPC. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. So for deploying applications, what kind of infrastructure we require, we can able to get it from cloud. We can able to get it from cloud as a leverage. As a let us understand what is a VPC, what is it, what is RDS, what is it. Let us deep diving into this. Let us deep diving into this, please. So what is VPC? VPC is nothing but what? Network. VPC is nothing but what? Network. So the isolated office kind of private network. We are going to be getting wow internet in a virtual form. Nothing but VPC. I think each and every body knows how exactly network. So is it any office? So computers are connected in a generator. That is an exact physical network. Or in your home, you have broadband connection. You haven't done that. What we have a cable to your laptop or not. Even laptop also connected to network. Without it, there is no capacity. So that the networks are private networks. Your office network is what? Private network, which you can be accessed from outside. So that's the point I want to tell you. The isolated, a office kind of private network. If we can able to access why internet in a virtual form is nothing but what? VPC. By using VPC, we can able to n number of networks. So for example, first network is for you. Second network is for me. Third networks are for my friend. N number of networks we can able to get. There is no limit. Number of network is one less carefully. Anybody can getting into the AWS, you and me. But after getting into AWS, we can create our private section. This is an exactly your private section. No one can enter into this. You can do whatever you want. Without option, no one can enter. We can create a subject, we created database also. For example, so we have companies. One company name is what? TCS. And second company is what? HCL. So TCS and HCL both are using AWS. But once if it is getting, TCS people are able to create their own network. HCL people also can create their own network. But HCL can't be getting into TCS. TCS can't be getting into the HCL. So that's kind of like level of it is available inside AWS. So what is the network capability having? A private network is your private section of AWS, where you can able to resource servers and databases who can't be accessed. We can able to write rules and regulations. Is nothing but VPC. Simply you can say only one word. VPC equal to network. It is more enough to understand. VPC equal to private network. Whatever. By helping of EC2, we can able to create a service. So how exactly your laptop has with all the components has your laptop. Same kind of components are also like CPU, operating system, hard disk, RAM, firewall. So these are all the components available in laptop. The same kind of component available in server also. But your laptop is just for your home purpose. But server is for what? Deploying or placing our applications. Deploying and placing our applications. But what is EC2? So what is the computing? RAM, CPU, whatever we have discussed. The computing power, if we can able to access over internet in elastic form, a flexible kind of computing power over internet, if we can access in a virtual what? E2 1E2 says. Is that what? EC2. Got it, very good. Example, to understand this, I'll give an example to understand. For example, I want to buy a Hotstar kind of application, or else a Prime Video, Netflix, any kind of website I want to post. First, what we have to require first we is what? Network. Without there is first we establish networking. On top of it, we are going to be getting what? First, we are going to be establishing network. Once if it is established network, we are going to be creating a server. On On top of server, we're going to be host our application. Once it is host, we can able to access power internet from anywhere in the world, just like this. Done up. We are so happy. But the problem here is where exactly our customer information, either email address, phone number, communication address, we can maintain in our databases, relational databases, just like your Oracle database, MySQL database is able to get, you know, it. So, but one more option is pending. Using IDs, we are going to be maintaining a large like web series, so Blu-ray rented Hollywood movies, Blu-ray rented movies. We are watching in Hotstar or Hotel. But this, if it is a Blu-ray printed, what is the size of this file? More than 3 GB. So able to review files in our databases, we can. That is the reason we are using what? S3, external storage. S3 is nothing but what? External storage. Simple storage services. By using S3, by using S3 bucket, we can upload, we can download any kind of information, any kind of data. Means like video file, audio file, text file, PDF, doc, image, any kind of file. We can upload, we can download over any device, any device. Example, PPT presentation from website. For example, S3 bucket is Google Drive. How we are uploading, how we are downloading files in Google Drive. Same way our S3 means by using it, we can able to get service, we can able to create, we can able to get a data, we can able to store in externally also. By helping this four infrastructure, these four modules, we easily deploy applications. We can easily deploy our applications. I hope you people are understand what exactly AWS. For example, we're gonna be discussing about we are gonna be discussing about network, like we. So first we should understand what is the network basics. Directly if you start AWS, you may understand, we may not be understand. So mostly you are not coming from network background, right? That is first 4 classes. We will be understand fundamentals of network. What is an IP address? What is subnet? What is static network? Dynamic network? IP subnet. So network ID, host ID, classical, classful, classless, subnetting, router, modem, CIDR. So we're going to be discussing in very depth. After understanding fundamentals theoretically, then there will be the same understanding in AWS practical knowledge. And moreover, we're going to be learning each every model GU graphical representation. This is graphical representation each model. We have to understand CLI. Command line process. By executing, we can able to handle it. So we are going to be learning CLI. Cloud functions. Same concept we're going to be reiterating like 4 times, 3 times going to be learning. That's what is going to be taking 2.5 months or else. So 50 days is more than enough. So why it is taking? Because of, so graphically we're going to be learning, commandly we're going to be learning, and cloud formation means script. We're writing some formats, not a programming, not a script also. It is some kind of formats we're going to be writing, and execute we can able to create an infrastructure release. So this is what exactly. This is like EPC, like EC2, like S3, like RDS we are going to be discussing. This is what exactly for today's session. Today is more than enough. So we'll be continuing. So we'll meet with tomorrow also, same at same time. So before taking your question, so I have one more time, let's revise this course overview. Let's revise one more time. Course overview. Because that's what for left. And get benefited guys. This course is completely designed with what? AWS, that's basics and shell script. Totally, the total duration of this course what? 2.5 months. So as a I'm going to be covering Linux basics, shell, and no programming is required like Java.NET, not required. So you have a laptop, you require laptop. So person can join this, an experience can also join this course. Any graduate can join this course. If you want to feature all the benefits, guys, please dial class recording videos after the payment. You will be received after the payment. After receiving this video, going to be accessing up to 11 months. So resume preparation, interview question answers, 80% of material I will be providing. So our class start from this year and an advanced level. Each and every session is a practical oriented session. So daily 1 hour session, daily 1 hour. So Monday to Saturday classes, Sunday also holiday, but prior to Monday, I'll let you. Sunday complete holiday. There's no class on Sunday. So I'm paying 6,000 rupees for AWS for daily recordings. For this batch only 5,000. So if you want to join next batch onwards, 6,000 will be. 6,000 will be. If you want to talk to Redmond regarding fees, whatever, talk to him. So 9297 double 0. You can WhatsApp or call. If it is this number is busy, please call to this. It's an exact course content link. If you click in the chat in browser, you can access our course content link. Once it is done, click on this, it will be open. It is totally around maybe 10 pages of the AWS. Please revise much. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Please, my end. So do you have any questions, please? Any questions? Sarita, please, definitely I will talk to you. Please wait, Sarita, please wait. Is there any live class or questions? Each and every session. So how exactly you attend the classes? Same every day. But after the session, I'm going to be recording also. But by helping of recording, you're able to practice. Recording only for practice. You are regular attending sessions. After the session, you have any doubt, please revise the class. Still you have any question after recording, you can clarify by next class also. So what's the intention for recording? Practice first. Venkat, yeah, you can. For this batch 5,000. 5,000 recordings. Sachin. I clearly mentioned 5,000 for what? For regular classes, for daily Venkat. Venkat, please definitely I'll talk to you, please, definitely. One by one, please, definitely. So Abhijit asked this question, what about AWS certifications? You can able to enable certification, solution architect. After completion of this course, you can able to eligible to do certification online exam. Eligible certificate. AWS website. That was on maybe more than 80,000. Abhijit, yeah. No one. Anil, this is an exactly AWS administrator. Anil, answer is no for you. Around 18,000. Please, you can call it. Will you provide a certificates? After completion of course, you can receive a certificate from our institute also. AWS certificate is different, our course institute certificate is different. Madhu. Wait, I will talk to you. Sada, please. When you have to pay today, you can pay. If you're interested, you can pay today or tomorrow also you can pay. There is no problem. But we are going to be conducting 2-3 demos only, not long big demo sessions. Maximum 2-3. Then we're going to be start regular sessions, please. First demo. What is this developer SaaS certificate? No, ELK. ELK we are going to be. Terraform is not in this, Sada. ELK we are going to be learning. ELK, yes. Sada, ELK is going to be covered, please. Yes, definitely, Abhijit. Yeah, you can able to do that. Abhijit, yes. Yeah. So still, do you have another question, please, all of you? Chat box. So who want to talk? Can you reply in chat box? I will unmute. You can talk to me. Sarita and Sarita. Sarita. 1 second. One by one, please. So a lot of people want to talk to me. First, let me talk to Venkat, okay? Then go for Sada. Go for Sarita. Venkat, please. Venkat, please. Okay, Venkat.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Please.
Sir, actually, I have some queries like regarding, like it is a admin course or AWS development course?
Purely AWS administration.
So in AWS, again, development also is there. I mean, actually, I want to the AWS development.
You can able to do that also, but it is purely designed for AWS administration. Maybe if you service Lambda services, DAO tools. Yeah, you can also, but
so this course is usable for the PySpark also. Actually, I am working on PySpark. So even I wanted learn the so which one I have to learn? Still I have confusion. AWS admin I have to learn or AWS development I have to learn for the PySpark developer. So that is the which one I have.
Developer and AWS developer you have to.
Okay, this course is not usable, sir, for the PySpark.
No. Some is different. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
So Suresh asked this question. So which is the better cloud? AWS, Azure, GCP. All are same. But I recommend one of among any one. One cloud should be perfect. One cloud should be perfect. If you have one cloud, remaining clouds are very easy to learn. I recommend AWS. Then Azure. Suresh. These two are first AWS, then Azure. GCP is not bad. If it is possible, we can those lab services, services we have. Uh, please, Gauri, please wait. So some other students are in the keep in the line. Let it be. What next in the line, please? Sarita, please talk to me, please.
Will you cover Jenkins first?
That will be our DevOps course.
But this is not course.
No, this is not DevOps course. DevOps will be uh, 13th February, 6 p.m.
Okay.
I will be teaching DevOps also, but in timings are different.
Okay, Kubernetes also will be. Kubernetes also will be.
Yeah, Kubernetes and Kingsman, Ansible, Chef, Backward, Docs, AWS, all together.
How to create account by debit or credit card?
Debit card. Issue is there. AWS is debit card, Visa, Mastercard. I will explain next lesson how to create AWS account. I will show you.
Okay.
The class.
You are for one class in the morning.
Okay.
Morning 7 o'clock. Your new batch has started. What's the difference between morning class and evening class?
Morning 6, 7 a.m. is a DevOps class. Completely DevOps plus AWS. Both are included. We will only be discussing only AWS. No DevOps here.
Okay. DevOps.
There is
in
no
morning class. Yes, sir. I have one doubt. In morning session, we will cover all Kubernetes.
Those classes it will be more 5 and a half. This course is 2.5 months.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarita. Okay, then what? Sadhana. No, so people are joining DevOps demos also. That's what they can. So this course is purely morning session which I conducted. That is DevOps. The difference is there. What we can.
So I'm actually looking for application development point of view. So do you think this will be helpful?
No, as of right now, we are focusing only on the part.
So I'm pretty new to the AWS, means I don't have any basic knowledge also.
No,
so is it a good starting point?
Yeah, you can start from here. You can switch as a development. You can do that.
So do you have any developers or anything upcoming?
I will like this in future.
Okay, and in this course, by any chance, you will cover those topics like Terraform or Lambda thing?
So Lambdas we have included. Terraform is I'm thinking not as of that. In future we may include Terraform also.
Okay, and in developer course, all this Terraform will be there.
Yes, Terraform.
And you are going to take care for the developer also?
Yes, I will, but not as this course. No, I didn't include those topics. Okay.
Do you have any plans for the developers upcoming?
Yeah, I will be.
Okay, now schedule now.
As of there is no schedule.
And last question. So for certification, which certificate will be held?
AWS Solution Architect.
Okay, so you are saying after completing this course, I will be able to write a solution architect without taking further classes?
Yes, you can.
To provide with some answer.
Yes, I will provide.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes. Then what next? Who is talking, please?
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
So the same doubt what he has asked. So I'm a Java developer. So this course will be helpful, or do we have any other courses?
No, is helpful, but some features we added here, like Lambda and Terraform, that will be maybe we plan next batch.
Yeah, can you please send those details if it is scheduled to, because I'm interested.
As of right now, not scheduled, but we plan for next batch, definitely.
Yeah, sir. So for the online students, for the questionnaire answer section, so after the end of the section,
End of this section, middle if you discussion, definitely the remaining people will be disturbed.
Okay, so like this, what we are having now.
Yeah, you can ask in the chat box. I can definitely reply. But so why is my name?
Okay.
Sachin, Sachin. Yeah, please wait, Sachin. Sachin Javed. Please.
Hello.
Yeah, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, my question is that along with this course, you are going to teach us Linux and shell.
Obviously, Linux basics and shell.
Okay. Yeah.
So is there any other in the queue, please? Is there any other students want to talk to me? Can you reply in the chat? Is any other student want to talk to me? Ritish, 1 second.
Actually, I have this experience, so I just want to transition my career into AWS. So I just
Okay.
want to know, is this for starting? Is this course sufficient for me to just start my career?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, but one more thing is that suppose I want to transition, do I need to show any extra experience in this? Suppose as a fresher, if I want to go, then is it
You're already experienced and you have to show an experience only.
right? Like, how much should I show?
You
Like,
can show minimum 2 to 3.5.
but for that, I have to show any kind of projects as well, right? That I
Yeah,
have
yeah. I will explain those things.
okay, that will be covered, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And this is admin course, right, sir?
Yes, yes. Administration course.
And how the practicals will be covered, because I'll be joining this course online. So
So
just
that's
wanna know.
what each and every practical oriented session and each and everything in front of you live.
Okay.
Maybe you have similar laptop. Still, if you have any struggle, so you revise the class by using recordings.
Okay.
Still, you can't. You can interact next session by end or beginning of the session. You can you can do that. Still, if you can, you can talk to me like this. Still, if you can, you can share your screen. I can able to help you.
Okay. Will there be any assistance in interviews or
Every
that
question
also?
answer will resume for a question. Sure.
Okay. That will be assisted. Fine, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So, is there any question, friends? Okay, so we will be continuing tomorrow with same thing at the same time. Tomorrow we have a session with the same time. We'll be continuing tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll be continuing. Thank you. before starting this demonstration, let me overview of this course. What exactly this course? Let us describe first. This course is complete AWS plus Linux basics and shell script. The combination of these three, this is the course. The total duration of this course is 2.5 months. It will take to complete this course 2.5 months. So for learning this course, Linux basics required, that I will be covered. Shell script basics required, that I will be covered. No programming is required like Java, .NET, Python. No programming is required, and moreover, we are writing programming in this course. Programs are not required. Not writing any programs. You have with configuration for practice every day. Who can join this course, please? Who else can join in this course? Experienced students can join in this course. And if you know this dial class recordings after payment via Google Drive, you will be from data registration. You are going to be accessing up to 11 minutes. Resume preparation, interview question answers, 80% of it providing. So we're going to be discussing from basic level to advanced level, and each and every session is practical oriented session. Practical oriented session at least. And daily we are spending 1 hour. That means you need to practice twice per day. Totally 1 plus 2 plus you have to promise yourself every day. So classes are Monday to Saturday. Sometimes Saturday is holiday. But I do want to let you know. Maximum Monday to Saturday you have a session. Sometimes rarely we don't have classes on Saturdays, but prior to one day I'll be informing with you. The course fees is 6,000 rupees. Course fees is what? 6,000 rupees. You are going to pay for complete AWS course. 6,000 rupees you're going to be paying for complete AWS. But daily recording sessions, daily what you are going to pay for that also going to be paying 6,000 for this batch. For this because of this batch. So only 5,000. Okay, for next cycle, next batch onward will be 6,000. That means maybe pay 5,000. Please call 997 997 and double 6. If any related to payments or also get automatic. So you want to when you call also you can do what also that is. Okay. If the number is busy, please call us. And there is an exact course can if you quiz link in the box in the browser, you can able to revise my question. Exactly that we are covering in this months. We can able to the first document is very well covered. Second document is basically AWS command. It's totally around maybe 10 pages of AWS command. 10 pages. Yes. 10 pages of AWS content. So each and every student, so please be get from chat box. Or else you can take a photo. Please be take a snap by using your mobile, either offline or online. This will be further communication. Please take a one snap, one photo by using your mobile. So let's start. So before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Maha. I have totally 15 years of IT experience. My career starts as a startup. Then I turn as DevOps engineer, senior DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer, AWS, and with philosophy. This is exactly my profile. So today we're going to be discussing about what is AWS. Before starting, so I'm going to be asking you one question. Please answer quickly. What is exactly application? What is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? Application is equal to website. Website like Flipkart website, like Redbus, IRCTC. These are all we are calling what? Application. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming like Java, .NET, Python. We are called as what? Application. That application we are gonna be placed. We're gonna be placed on servers. So the working software and application we are gonna be placed on hundreds of servers. We're gonna be placed on hundreds of Once if it is placed our application on hundreds of servers, we are accessing over internet website. I hope you people are understand what an application. Anybody help me? Application is website. Website we're gonna be post on outside. Then we are gonna be accessing over a internet. So the next I'm gonna be asking you, what is in exactly infrastructure? So for maintaining application, for deploying our application, we require infrastructure. What is infrastructure? Example, to connect means this Java class or whatever place access. We require infrastructure, chairs, table, laptop, TV, internet connection, AC, my water bottle. This is all infrastructure. Without this infrastructure, can able to connect this session? No. The same way, for maintaining applications, deploying a website, what kind of infrastructure is required? That is my question. So majorly, we require servers. We require servers. We require networks. We require data. Yes, we require storage. So these are all major infrastructure is required to maintain our websites on hundreds of servers. Okay. What is an application? What is infrastructure? We understood. But how many ways we can able to get infrastructure? How many ways? Yes. To get infrastructure, we can able to get this by or virtual environment or cloud environment, either physically, virtually, or cloud environment. Server is same, way of getting is different. We can able to get servers either by physical environment or virtual environment or cloud environment. I hope you have to so repeat one more time. So for maintaining our applications, we require this infrastructure. This infrastructure either by physical or by virtually or by cloud environment we can able to get. But tell me, what is cloud? What is cloud? Cloud is nothing but internet. But what is the computing use? What is exactly compute? It's new. So now computing on a laptop is which kind of computing for? RAM, CPU, hard, we are calling the computing for. That's what we calling as the computer. So what is the computing for? What is computing for? So we have hard resources in laptop. The same kind of computing power in ours also, like RAM, CPU, motherboard, hard which you are seeing, yeah, that you are calling is what? Computing power. But what is the cloud computing? My question is very specific. I'm asking to you. What is exactly cloud computing? Listen very carefully. The remote placed resources. The remote placed resources, like remote placed computing power. If you can able to access over a internet from your laptop is nothing but cloud computing. So what is the cloud computing? Please help me. Remote placed resources. If you can able to access over internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. Cloud computing means very clear. First, let us understand what is a data center. So data center, simple way. They use computing power, use computing power, keeping in a rack wise in a big room as a data center. Just like building, just like your home, just like your apartment. Data centers are existing physically. We can able to see with your eyes. How exactly you can able to touch your mobile? How exactly you can able to your laptop? Same way. Our physical data centers, we can able to see with our eyes. These data centers are physically existing. So from these data centers, if you can able to access a computing power or resources or infrastructure, our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. I'll repeat. These data centers are located in different geographic locations, like in US, like in Singapore, like in Mumbai, like in data centers are physically exist throughout the globe. So from these data centers, if you can able to access infrastructure, our internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. So remote placed resources. Remote means in somewhere else, like in Singapore. From remote placed resources. Resources is nothing but server or network or databases or storages. If you can able to access remote placed resources over internet from your laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. I hope you people understand very clearly what is that? Cloud computing. Tell me, which is easy for you? Which is exactly easy for you? Select the news, build the news. Always we are going to be preferring only select the news on. Select the news names. So any cloud is going to be providing only rental-based infrastructure. We're not buying anything by using cloud. We are not buying, but we're going to be taking rental infrastructure. Instead of buying infrastructure, we're going to be taking what? Rental infrastructure. So I will give you an example. You can understand my. Just listen very carefully. So I go to railway station. I want to go to railway station. I can able to get a car two ways. So first way, buy car, and we need to railway station. Second option is what? Rental car, like Walmart. Which is better for us? Rental cars. So simply, just for reach railway station, are you buying a car? So spend 10 lakhs rupees. Stupid idea, am I right? Instead of buying a car, just book a Wala car. Within 9 minutes, the car is available in those. Happily can reach railway station. What is the tariff? Can pay up to maybe 300 to 400. That's it. After that, do not worry about the car. But if you have buy, what happens? You have to pay upfront amount, 10 lakhs. Then that's it. No, that's it required. RC copy is required. Police check is required. Insurance copy is required. So you have a driving license. Moreover, you have to drive. If you don't have driving, you hire one time also. This is all in a car. Instead of that, just go for wallet car. Just go for rental car. Right or not? The same example applicable for applications also. Just to apply applications, really, are you going to buy a server or else rental service, which is easy? Rental service. So we're going to be rental, and easily we are applying, placing our applications, and we can able to fulfill our purpose easily. But instead of that, if you buy a service, what will happen? You keep something like this big room. Who will pay the rent for every month? Current bill, who will pay? Employee salaries. There's a lot of it. Instead of buying, we are always looking for what? Rental service for what? Maintaining, deploying our services. This is an exactly cloud. Why we are doing it in the cloud? For just rental infrastructure. Rental infrastructure. So any cloud, Google, either Azure or AWS, any cloud. So provide rental infrastructure only. Any cloud provider, they are providing only rental infrastructure. But they are going to learn about those AWS as any cloud set, but to provide different. But which you probably going to learn which cloud provider? AWS, Amazon Web Services. AWS is a first cloud provider. AWS is a first cloud provider. AWS is a first cloud provider 2002 might be. So that is popular. It's a first product. So because of it is occupied more than 60% of market. And tell. Okay. In AWS, we are discussing totally one. Each module will take 2 weeks. Each module will be spent 2 weeks of time. So what is the first module? VPC. Second module is what? EC2. Third module is what? RDS. Fourth module is what? S3. VPC is nothing but what? Network. EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but storage. What did we write down? So EC2 is nothing but what? Servers. So network is nothing but what? RDS is nothing but what? Databases. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. So for deploying applications, what kind of infrastructure we require? We can able to get it from cloud. We can able to get it from cloud as a rental. First, let's understand what is the VPC. What is EC2? What is RDS? Yes, it's diving into this. Diving into this. So what is VPC? VPC is nothing but network. VPC is nothing but what? Network. So isolated network. This kind of private network, we are going to be getting over internet. Nothing but what? VPC. I think we can everybody know how is that network. So if you office, so the computer connected exactly network. Or in your home have broadband connection. We have cable connecting with laptop. Even my laptop also connected to the network. Your network is class today, sir. So networks are private networks. Your business is what? Private network, which you can't be accessed from outside. So that's the part I want to tell you. They isolated, the office kind of private network. You can able to access over internet. And the first is nothing but VPC. By using VPC, we can able to create n number of networks. So for example, first network is for you. Second network is for me. Third networks are for my friend. Number of networks can able to create. There is no limit. N number of networks. I'll repeat this point very carefully. Anybody can get into the database. Anybody. But after getting database, we can able to create a private section. This is an exactly what? Private section. No one can enter into this. Do whatever you want. without your permission, no one can enter. No one can enter. We can create a servers here, we can create a database also. So we have two companies. One name is what? TCS. Second company is what? HCL. So TCS and HCL both companies get this. It is get TCS people can able to get their own network. HCL people also can get their own network. But HCL can't be getting into TCS. TCS can't be getting the HCL. So that's kind of a level of security is available inside AWS. So what is the network? Anybody help me? It's a private network. Is your private section of AWS where you can able to use the resources, servers and databases. Who can access? Who can't be accessed? We can able to write those relations. Is the what? VPC. Simply we can say only one word. VPC equal to net. That is more than enough to understand. VPC equal to network. What about EC2? By EC2 we can able to create a service. How exactly your laptop has all the components has same kind of resources, same kind of components are also like CPU, operating system, hard disk, RAM, file. So all the components available in laptop, same kind of components in also. But your laptop is just for components. Server is for what? Like placing our applications, deploying and placing our applications. Clear all? But what is you? So what is coming on? Which have discussed. Coming what we can able to access in a flexible kind of application or entry we can able to access the virtual what? EC2 1E 2 sys 1E 2 sys. It's nothing but what? EC2. Got it very good. Example to understand. I'll give you a good example to understand. For example, I want to deploy a MAHA Sir kind of applications or a Netflix, any website I want to host. So first what we have to require is first establish what? Network. Without network, there is a server. First, we establish what? Working. On top of it, we are going to be creating what? First, we are establishing network. If it is established network, we will be creating a server. On top of server, we will be host our hardware application. Once if it is host, we can able to access over internet from anywhere in the world, just like this. Done up, happy. We are so happy. But the problem here is where exactly our customer information, email address, phone number, communicators, where we can able to maintain in our databases. Database services, just like your Oracle databases, MySQL kind of databases, we can able to get it. So, but one more question is pending. By using RDS, we are going to be maintaining our lot of videos like series, so Blu-ray printed Hollywood movies, we are watching in Hotstar portal. But this, if it is a Blu-ray printed, what is the size of this file? Not a reason. So can able to hold this 3 files in RDS? And that's no, we cannot. That is the reason we are using what? The external storage. External, so simple storage services. By using S3, by using S3 bucket, we can upload, we can download any kind of information, any kind of data. Means like video file, audio file, text file, video, document, any kind of file, we can upload, we can download, or using any device. This will be the presentation coming to the website. The website like is Google Drive. How we download Google Drive? Same way as bucket also. Means by using AWS, we can able to get a network, we can able to get a databases, we can able to store an external. By helping of these 4 infrastructures, these 4 modules, we can easily deploy our applications. We can easily deploy our applications. I hope you people understand what exactly AWS. For example, we're gonna be discussing about like BBs. So you may not understand. So mostly you're not coming from networking background, am I right? That is these past 3-4 classes. We're going to understand fundamentals of what is IP address, what is static of dynamic or IP addressing, subnet. So network host ID, classical, classless, subnet, router, modem. So we're going to be discussing very after understanding fundamentals, then we are going to be the same concept, same understanding in AWS in a practical manner. And moreover, we're going to be launching every model GUI, graphical representation. Each and every model. So we're going to be understanding by executing, we can able to handle AWS. So we are going to learn here cloud formation also. This same concept we will reiterate thrice and 4 times, 3 times going to be learned. Effort is going to be taking 2 and 1 hours. So this is more than enough. So why is taking because of so graphically we're going to be learning, commandly we're going to be learning, and cloud formation means script. We're going to be writing some formats, not like programming, not like script also. It is some kind of writing. Actually we can able to get infrastructure in AWS. So is what exactly. Today is more than enough, so we'll continue. So we will meet tomorrow also. Really excited. About take question. You are taking your question. So I have one more time. Let us revise this course. Wow, let us one more time. Course power utilities. Because that's what them let get benefits. This course is completely designed for AWS Linux basics and shell totally. The total duration of this course was 1.5 months. So as it mentions, I'm going to be covering Linux basics, shell scripts, and no programming is required. So you require a laptop to practice. So freshers can join this course. And experience can also join in this course. Any graduate can join in this course. If you join like class recording videos after the event, you will receive after the event. This video is going to last up to 11 intelligence 80% of material will be given. So I can start with you and each and each practical work. So daily 1 hour session. So Monday to Saturday classes sometime. Saturday also holiday, but try to one day Saturday holiday there is no class. So what is 6,000 for the for this tell you for this batch only 5,000. So if you want to the next batch of 6,000 the topic report is what is so 997 what's the topic for it is this number busy please call this and exact course content if you copy this thing in the start in the one continue one topic on this it will be over so it is totally 10 pages of AWS please very much so that's it guys please end so do you have any questions please please Rita, please wait I'll talk you please wait Rita. Is there any live class or record session each and every session is a live so how exactly you attend the classes every day but after session I'm going to be recording also but by helping recording you're able to practice recording is only for practice while attending sessions after the session have any query any doubt please revise the class still have any question after recording you can clarify next class also so recordings what is the intention for recording practice purpose okay? Yeah. For this 5,000 clearly mentioned 5,000 for what for regular classes for daily recordings right is definitely please definitely one by one please definitely so this is the question what about data certifications you can enable certification only in architect after which you enable eligible to certification online exam eligible certificate AWS certificate that will cost around more than 80,000 yeah no one I mean this is exactly AWS administrator Anil answer is no for you how much that sorry that will be 18,000 I didn't develop that please cross it please will you get certificates after completion of course you can receive a course complete certificate from AWS AWS is different course institute certificate different Madhu when you have to pay today you can pay interested you can pay tomorrow you can pay but you only have to do 3 demos not long week demo sessions maximum 2-3 then we're going to be start regular sessions please first demo what is this developer SaaS no one ELK platform is not this LP are going to be learning LP cover yes so the LP is going to be covered please yes yeah you can able to do that yes yeah so still we have a so who want to talk to me return the chat box let me talk to me Sarita one by one then please so if you want to talk to me first let me talk to me okay then go Sarita Venkat please okay Venkat
Yeah, hi sir. Sir, actually, some question regarding like this a admin course or AWS development course, sir?
it is purely AWS administration
So AWS again development is there. I mean, actually, I want to the AWS development.
you can able to also but it is purely designed for AWS administration maybe if you service lambda system thou tools yeah you can also
Okay, so this course is only for the PySpark also. Actually, I'm working on a PySpark, so I want to the AWS. So which one I have to learn? Even still, I have confused. I have to learn development. I have to learn PySpark developer. So I'm asking which one I have.
developer
Okay, this course is not usable, sir, for
no,
the PySpark.
no. Some few services are different
Okay. Okay, thank you.
so Suresh asked this question so which is a better cloud AWS Azure GCP all are similar but I recommend among any one cloud should be perfect and if you can one cloud remaining cloud very easy to learn I recommend AWS because Suresh. These two are important. First AWS, then Azure. GCP is not required. If it is possible, we're going to be adding those services, Lambda services, some services we have this. So please go please wait. So some of the students are in the line. Please let it be. What's the language? Sarita. Sarita, please.
Will you cover James?
That will be on DevOps course.
This is not DevOps.
This is not DevOps course. DevOps will be 13th February 6 p.m.
Okay.
I will be teaching DevOps also, but timings are different.
Okay, Kubernetes also will be. Kubernetes also.
Kubernetes,
Okay.
Ansible, Chef, Kubernetes, Docker, AWS, all together.
Okay. How to create account, sir? Debit card, debit card.
Debit card. Azure is debit. AWS is debit card. Any ask that. I will explain next class how to create a account. I'll explain. I'll show you.
Okay. Yeah, you have already started one class in the morning.
Okay.
Morning 7 o'clock. Your new batch has started. What difference between morning class and evening class?
Morning 6, 7 a.m. is DevOps classes, completely DevOps, both of included. In both the AWS, DevOps.
Okay. DevOps. In morning, yes, sir, I have one doubt. In morning session, we complete all Docker, AWS,
those classes more than 5 months. But this course is 2.5 months.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah. Okay, then what next? Sarah? Because I started starting DevOps demos also. That's what the camp is. So this course only purely AWS. But morning session which I acted, that is DevOps AWS. Don't confuse. Okay, Sada, please.
So I'm actually looking for application development point of view. So do you think this course will be helpful?
No, as of right now, we are focusing only AWS administration.
So I'm pretty new to the AWS. I don't have any basic knowledge also.
No,
so is it a good starting point?
Yeah, you can start from here and you can switch as the development and you can do.
So do you have any developer course going on or anything upcoming?
Like this in future.
Okay, and in this course, by any chance you cover those topics like Terraform or Lambda basic thing?
So Lambda is going to be included. Terraform is I'm thinking that not as of right now included. In future, I will include Terraform also.
Okay, and in developers all this Terraform will be there.
Yes, Terraform is.
And you're going to take it to the developer also?
Yes, I will. But not as of this. There is no. I didn't include those.
Do you have a plan for developer course upcoming?
Yeah, I will be.
Sir. Okay, nothing scheduled now.
As of right, there is no schedule.
Okay, and last question. So for certification, which certification will be helpful?
AWS solution architect.
Okay, so you're saying reading, I will be able to write AWS solution architect without taking any further classes?
Yes.
Are you going to provide some question answer?
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Who is talking?
Hi, sir. So same doubt what you asked. So I'm a Java developer. So will this course be helpful or do we have any other courses?
So is this helpful? But some few services we need to add it here, like Lambda Terraform. That will be maybe for next batch.
Can you please send those details if it is scheduled to me because I'm interested.
I'll ask schedule, but we'll back next batch definitely.
Yes. So for the online students, for the questionnaire and session, so after the interview session.
Yeah, mainly if you discuss, definitely people will listen.
Okay. So like this, what we're having now.
Yeah, you can ask in the chat box. I can definitely reply. But so voice, audio chat might be an.
Okay. Yes. Thanks.
Sachin. Yeah, please listen. Sachin Javed.
Hello.
Please, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, my question is that along with the course teacher Linux and Shell also.
We use Linux based also.
Okay.
So is there in the queue, please? Is there any students want to talk? Can reply in the chat box. Is there a student want to talk to me? Ritesh, 1 second, Ritesh.
As a years of experience, so I just want to transition to this AWS. So just want this course is a very for starting. This is option for me to just transition my career.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay. But one more thing is that suppose I'm transition, do I need to show any experience in this? Suppose as a fresher, if I want to go, that's it.
No, experience, you have to show experience on.
Right. Like how much should I show?
You can show minimum 2 to 3, 2.5.
But for that, I need to show any kind of projects as well. That
Yeah. I will explain those.
Okay, that will be all right.
Yes.
And this is admin course?
Yes, administration course.
Okay. And how the practicals will be because I'll be on this course online. So just
each and every session is a practical orientation. I will explain each and everything in front of you. Like the same thing, you have to simulate in your laptop. So you revise the class by using recordings.
Okay.
Still, if you can't do that, you can back next session and beginning of the session. You can do that. Still, if you can, you can talk. Like, you can share screen and able to help.
Okay. So distance in reviews or
I need to questions I will raise your question and the questions I'll speak.
okay, that is right.
Fine. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So is there any question offline? Please, so we will be continuing by tomorrow selling. As I said, tomorrow we have a session. The same will continue by tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll continue.